They applied neutral rules, and the outcome is what it is, but it's not a political decision.
I think that it's about making sure that minority voters have a voice, and obviously representation matters.
Democrats and Republicans chiming in after yesterday's Supreme Court ruling, tossing out the borders of Alabama's congressional districts. So let's talk about it. In a 5-4 ruling, the justices backed a lower court ruling. It found the 7 districts, 6 Republican and 1 Democrat, don't fairly represent a state where more than 1 in 4 residents is Black. That, according to the High Court, adds up to a likely violation of the Voting Rights Act, signed into law by President Lyndon Johnson back in 1965. The Alabama ruling will likely impact things right here in Georgia. The Peach State's congressional districts were signed into law by Governor Kemp at the end of 2021. Now, despite legal challenges, they were allowed to stand for the 2022 midterm election. Now, Georgia State University law professor Anthony Michael Kreis anticipates the Atlanta metro area, particularly the districts just west and north of the city, are going to see their lines redrawn.
And I think in particular, voters in North Cobb, North Fulton, Cherokee County, they very well may see themselves in a competitive congressional district that they did not think that they would have.
Yeah, Alabama will now have to redraw the new map for next year's elections. Professor Kreis says Georgia officials will likely work fast so they have their map in place for the 2024 November election. We have so much more on this ruling right now online at 11alive.com.